Sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media. And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng number sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So anong problema?
Cayetano also accuses Binay of disrupting the hearing. Binay then clarifies her only goal was to finish the construction of the new building. But this did not stop Cayetano, who also accuses Binay of fabricating issues when she tried to link the new Senate building project to local politics in Makati and Taguig. Cayetano insinuates Binay might have even provided the questions to the media, noting that the same questions were asked in various radio interviews. Binay denies this allegation. She later walks out of the hearing room.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I made my point. There's no such thing as 23 billion sa
Paulit-ulit na tayo. Kanina
Thank
pa
you,
na
Mr. Chairman.
21.7 billion. Kabuang Kanaday. Tapusin natin na maayos to. Senado to ng Pilipinas, hindi to palengke.